how to fix Windows Update error. So let's first go to Windows and type troubleshoot settings. Open up the troubleshooter, select other troubleshooters, and here you can see Windows Update. And if you're facing problem with Windows Update, you can simply run the troubleshooter. It will take 5 to 7 minutes for the troubleshooter to run and scan for your system, and it will help to solve your problem. Now the next option is to go to Windows and go to your command prompt and run the sfc command. Type command prompt, select run as administrator, and here type sfc/scan now. And what this basically does is it will help to solve the corrupted Windows integrity files and system files. If the files are corrupted in your drive, you might be getting Windows Update problem. So it will help to check the system files along with the integrity files, and it will help to fix the corrupted files so that you will be able to fix your problem. Now the next thing to do is to go to Windows and type services.msc. Open up services and scroll it down and search for Windows Update. Double click on the services and make sure the startup type is automatic and the service status is on. If it is stopped, make sure you start the service status and click on apply and click on OK. And restart your computer, and you should be able to fix your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like. Thank you.